Hello and welcome to GW Manager. In this video, I will show you how to create domain shared contacts in Google Workspace using GW Manager. For that, in my Google Sheets, I'll go to Extensions, and here I should see GW Manager. If you do not see it here, please visit our website for installation instructions. I'll click on Launch to launch GW Manager in the sidebar. Once the tool loads in, I will select the feature Manage Shared Contacts, and I will click on Insert Sheet to insert Create Shared Contact Sheet. So I'll click on Execute, and GW Manager has inserted a Create Shared Contact Sheet where it is asking for information. The information that is mandatory to provide includes an asterisk, such as first name, last name, full name, and email. The rest of the information is optional. I've copied some information, so I'll paste it here. I'm providing first name, last name, and all the other fields. And once I have provided all this information, I will click on Execute. And as soon as I do that, within a few seconds, I should see a message that shared contacts successfully created. Now we have successfully created shared contacts. Now, as per Google documentation, it takes up to 24 hours for these shared contacts to start appearing when you compose email in Gmail or when you start to share files and create calendar invites. But to ensure that they are actually created, we can also leverage GW Manager's export function because exports are instant. So right under Manage Shared Contacts, we can go to Export Shared Contacts. We can select and execute the Insert Sheet to export shared contacts. And here it says no input required because we are just exporting the shared contacts. So I will select Export Shared Contacts and I will click on Execute. And I'm expecting those 3 contacts to now show here. And GW Manager showed me these 3 shared contacts with their contact IDs, which confirms that the domain shared contacts that I wanted to create are successfully created. This is how you can create domain shared contacts with GW Manager in bulk. You can do much more with GW Manager, and we are constantly adding new features based on customers' feedback. To learn more, please visit our website, gwmanager.com. Thank you for watching.